subscribed, please hit that red symbol on your screen that says subscribe and turn on the bell sign so you can get notification whenever we upload a new video. Today we are making peanut pancake. Peanut pancake means when there's crushed peanut in our pancake. Let's see how to make it. This is pancake mix. This is water to mix this all to spread on the pan to avoid burning of the pancake. This is sugar. This is our measuring cups. This is the crushed peanuts. This is 2 cups of pancake mix. We have 2 cups of pancake flour in here, so we'll start with 1 cup of water. So we are going to mix it to see whether it's enough. Of this spoon is okay because we don't want too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add more water. Till it gets fluffy. Now I'm going to add my GROUNDNUT. Now we are going to get our pan ready. I want to turn on the gas. Let our frying pan dry. We're adding a little oil in the frying pan. That's enough. I've tried to spread the oil on the pan. This is how to know if your pan is steamed, whether it's hot. It's time to flip the pancake. You see a lot of bubbles at the top. To know when the pancake is ready to be flipped, you'll see lots of bubbles on the surface. See this one, it has lots of bubbles at the surface. It's ready to be flipped. Now it's ready. show you what you have done. This one didn't really come out well because of the way we poured it in and brought it out. Guys, this is how your pancake is supposed to look.
Guys, wait now. You are. Oh yeah, eat.